Air pollution is a real threat to public health. WHO estimated that 92% of the world's population live in areas with inadequate outdoor air quality, and this pollution contributes to 1 of every 8 deaths. Thus, millions of Malaysians remain at increased risk of suffering from the harmful effect of the air pollution. This needs to stop.
The Clean Air Act authorized the protection of public health by regulating the emissions of these harmful air pollutants. Smoke can irritate the eyes and throat, also damage the lungs, especially people who work outside, children, and senior citizens. It's even worse for people who have asthma or allergies. Only an air purifier with pumps of activated carbon and HEPA filtration can remove 99.97% of airborne particles and harmful airborne chemicals.
The EPA has found out that our dwelling may contain air that is 2 to 5 times, even more 100 times polluted than outdoor air. So that's why we want to create an air purifier to make sure we breathe clean air while indoor. What we have here is a cost-effective portable air purifier that purifies and ionizes air for personal usage. It works automatically by using the sensors in Arduino to detect the quality of air, temperature and humidity. Then automatically regulates the filtration of surrounding air, use of additives such as perfumes and medicated ingredients. Then release ionized fumes to provide clean, safer and better air for the user to breathe with added benefit of comfort. Now, let's take a look at the 3D rendering that we have made.
As you can see here, this is the 3D rendering of how the finished product going to look like. The whole body is constructed with lightweight and durable 3D printed ABS plastic with glossy clothing that looks great with most workspace. The size is going to be 300mm tall and 200mm wide, which is identical with an A4 paper. There are 2 distinct sections, which is the body that contains all the filtration materials, water tank and Arduino kit, while the head contains all the sensors, fan and mist ejection system. Now, let's take a look at the teardown rendering of our machine. What you can see here is all the components that are going to be placed inside of our product. The way how it works is, air will be sucked in by the fan located inside the first chamber of the body part. The polluted air will move through the dense multi-layer HEPA filter that will cleanse and purifies the air. Next, the air particles will be directed towards the water tank and dissolve in the water. Here, additives such as perfume and disinfectant will be added. The water will be ionized by a heavy-duty ionizer, which then channels the fumes towards a smart mist ejector that regulated by multiple sensors located at the top of the machine to determine the amount of mist to be released. The head section is controlled by a motor placed at the neck, which is regulated by a sensor that detects the position of the user. The head will automatically move following the movements of the user. It also detects whether the user is present or not, as it can turn itself off when the user is not there.
Give us a chance and we will amaze you.